Hey guys, it's Basham from GM Motorsport. I thought I'd just hop on and give you guys a quick rundown on how to order our CNC heads through our exchange program. So essentially we got this product page here. Now you're going to have a few options which you're going to need to figure out what you want to do. So the decking of the head. Now this one can be tricky for a lot of people because they don't know what to deck the heads of the heads they'll be ordering. So we've got 2 thou, 10 thou, 20 thou, 30 thou, right? You have to ask your engine builder what you want off. If you don't have an engine builder or you're doing it yourself and you're using one of our camshafts, we actually have a guide, which I will end up putting in the descriptions here, so you'll have it anyway. But we'll have this guide here. So what should I deck my heads to? And we have all our camshaft options with what you should actually deck it to. And yeah, essentially we can have a look and go 6 litre square port. If you're running a turbo killer camshaft, you'd basically get the bare minimum off, which is 3 thou. Then you got street racer, you got stealth, 20 thou, street racer, 10 thou. And you can just go down the list, find your engine, choose what camshaft, come back here, and then match it up. Now, you also need to know if you want to get your heads assembled. If you want your heads assembled, you can then choose to have valve springs, valve stem seals, and fitment of valve springs, seals, retainers, and locks. That's going to give you a fully assembled head with all these options fitted to it. So that's a nice little option there. If you are also ordering a camshaft package at the same time, now obviously the camshaft package will have valve springs. You can basically select no, select yes for valve stem seals, and select assembly still. And then we will see when we have a look at your order, we'll see that you ordered a camshaft package and heads at the same time. And essentially we'll just assemble the heads with the valve springs that you ordered through the camshaft package. Now changeover. We have 3 options here. You can either drop it off in store and change over directly. You can send your heads to the address, which is 23 Reserve Road, Melton. So essentially you can place the order, send your heads to us. When we receive the heads and check the heads, we will then send out your new exchange heads that have been ported as soon as we check over and finalize everything. Or you can do a core holding deposit, which means you'll pay that extra $15.90. We'll send out the heads, and then you can send your heads back to us whenever you're ready, and then we can refund you the core holding deposit essentially. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or use this little button down here to send us a text, and we will try to get back to you as quickly as we can. But it's a pretty easy process, guys. If you're looking to get some exchange heads, we are the place to do it. We have everything in stock and can pretty much do everything within 24 to 48 hours. So don't worry about that shipping 1 to 2 weeks. It's more like 24 to 48 hours. So I look forward to seeing your guys' order, and feel free to shoot us a message. Thank you.